Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words metal and grit. They both nouns and they describe such values as bravery, courage, valor, and so on. And the word grit can also be used as a verb when it comes to small pieces of sand or stones. So, the word metal means someone's ability, determination, etc in difficult situations. For example, during the Battle of Antietam, they, as a band of brothers, showed great mettle. What it means? It means that they were brave and they were fighting till the end. And fortunately, they survived. The next word, grit, it has the very close meaning to the word metal, but it applies a certain degree of persistence. That someone's efforts lasting a longer period of time. For instance, during the Civil War, despite all the challenges that General McClellan faced, he showed his grit not by word but in action. Or you can say he proved his grit not by word but in action. And that's all the difference, guys. I hope you understood it, and I hope my information was very useful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.